Dive right in. Selling on Amazon made easy. Want to make extra cash? Amazon is your friend. Millions of shoppers are waiting. You can sell to them. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Homework time. What to sell and how to win. It's a crucial question for any aspiring entrepreneur. First, what will you sell? This is the foundation of your business. Think about what people need. Essentials are always in demand. Look at popular items on Amazon, see what's selling well. High ratings can guide you. Find something you can sell for less. Check out the competition. Price matters. Are there many sellers for a product? Too much competition can be tough. Can you offer something better? Improved features can set you apart. Unique products do well on Amazon. Innovation attracts buyers. Setting up shop. Your Amazon seller account. Ready to sell. Time for an account. Let's walk through the steps to get you started on your Amazon selling journey. First, go to Amazon Seller Central. This is your hub for managing your sales and inventory. Signing up is straightforward. You'll need to provide some essential information to get started. This includes your business name and address. Make sure these details are accurate. You'll also need a bank account and credit card. These are necessary for transactions and payments. Next, choose between an individual or professional account. This decision depends on your selling volume. An individual account is good for small sellers who plan to sell fewer than 40 items a month. A professional account is better if you sell a lot, offering more tools and lower fees per item. This is ideal for larger businesses. Show off your stuff. Creating killer product listings. Now list your products. Use clear, eye-catching photos. Write short, simple descriptions. Tell people why your product is the best. Use keywords so people can find you. Think about the price. Look at what others charge. Don't forget about shipping costs. Offer good deals. People love a bargain. Getting it there. Shipping your products. Let's dive into the details. You sold something. Great job. This is a big milestone for your business. Now it's time to get it to the buyer. This step is crucial for customer satisfaction. You can ship it yourself, also known as fulfillment by merchant or FBM. This method allows you to have hands-on control over the shipping process. Or you can let Amazon handle it for you with fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. FBA is easy and convenient. With FBA, Amazon stores, packs, and ships your products. They even handle returns, making it a hassle-free option. FBM gives you more control over your inventory and shipping, but it requires more effort and time. Choose the method that best fits your business needs. Happy customers, happy you customer service tips. Be nice to your customers. Answer their questions quickly. Be helpful and friendly. If there's a problem, fix it fast. Happy customers buy again. They also tell their friends. Good reviews are important for your business. Spread the word marketing your products. Tell the world about your products. Use social media. Run ads on Amazon. Offer discounts and coupons. Get creative with your marketing. Think about your ideal customer. Where do they hang out online? Reach them there. Go get them. You've got this. Selling on Amazon is a journey. It takes effort, but it's worth it. Remember to do your research. Price your products right. And always, always keep your customers happy. Now go make some money.